Alright, it's gotta go and giggles. I'm not sure if we're gonna do this, but we're gonna at least go check it out. Painter Run, Little Painter Run Trail. Creek. And I don't know, it keeps going that way a long ways. But yeah, you start here. If you do the whole loop, you come back down on Smith's Knob on the Loyalsock Trail, and you end up having to walk about a mile back up that road to your vehicle. And it's somewhere around 7 miles. But there's apparently a lot of stream crossings, so we likely will just check it out and then do this hike in the future. We'll see. But yeah, it's weird. You walk right through this cabin's back driveway. Blazed yellow. And then when you get up to the Loyalsock, it's blazed red and yellow. What a nice cabin though, eh? You gotta run. Oh, there's another cabin up there. Yeah, I'll walk across here real quick. And here we go. Oh yeah, there's the little Painter Run. All right, we'll see what's up. Yeah, this Painter Run is beautiful. The trail is definitely rocky in places. Now here's a stream crossing right off the bat. Yikes. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Did wear waterproof Las Sportivas. What did you wear?
Not waterproof.
Oh. Wow, that is so gorgeous, man. And definitely slick. Like I said, you can see all that moss. You can sort of cross there. It doesn't look that safe. If you fall, you're going to be really, really wet. Somebody put a log there. That doesn't even remotely look safe. Yeah, I'll put the camera away, but probably gonna take a peek at that part. Alright, due to the high water and stuff, we had to abandon the Painter Run trail, but we're on the Loyalsock Trail. Parking lot's back there, but I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna check it out. Registration box. And yeah, it's like straight up for the first 20 minutes, somebody said. Forgot to film the vista back there. I got a picture of it, but we'll film it on the way back. Yeah, this is Rocksylvania, as Giggles just said. I know that's a popular term in here, but it's definitely the case on this section of the Loyalsock. Now we're entering Hemlock Forest. And dark. Yeah, there's that kind of famous Loyalsock Trail blaze. And then they put those plastic tags everywhere. Like, you can't go more than, I don't know, 40, 50 feet without seeing a blaze. And we got like, I don't know, at least 1.5 miles further on this flat area after that steep climb from the parking lot before we get to the base of Smith's Knob, which that looks pretty steep. I don't think it's very long, but straight up. Yeah. That's what the ground looks like throughout the whole hike. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that's it. Looks like we'll probably come out of this hemlock forest up here. Alright. Alright. We are at the base of the knob. I don't know what this sign says, but we just had a mountain biker come flying down here, which is pretty amazing. He was cruising. It's so rocky down below. Horses not permitted. And here's the double blaze. Oh, I guess we're turning first. Yeah, but see how they do it? They give you an arrow painted on there. It did show a little jaunt to the right on the map. I'm guessing we come wind around here and then get to a spot to hike up that knob, which is Smith Knob. At least that's what we think. We also had, I wish I was filming when this happened, but I heard a noise in the leaves ahead of us back there, and all of a sudden a big German Shepherd came flying around the corner full speed. I just yelled, "Hey," real loud, and a lady running behind it appeared and ran up there and grabbed it real quick. But he seemed like a nice dog. Just please, if you're gonna do it, keep the leash on him. Even if he's a great dog, it still scares people like me. It's like another water source up here, but here's an arrow again. Yeah, that's a short climb up there. I think it's just going to be a butt whipper, but... So what's that? Is that still Loyalsock Trail blazes down there? This is kind of weird. Yeah, here's our turn to go up to the top of the knob right here. Those are X's. Those yellow blazes stuck to that tree. Here, I'll walk up there. Looks like there must be a water source, that blue arrow. But I'm wondering if horses are allowed on this and they have to turn back there somewhere.
Maybe. Part of it is.
Yeah, because this definitely is a trail. Yeah, there's a little X. I'm guessing those are for horses. But we are going to turn and head up to the top of Smith Knob and then begin our return hike back down. Alright, it's going to be steep. And I'll keep it filming until I get up to the base of the climb. Boy. This will get our hearts pounding. Wonder if it winds around it a little bit or if it's switchbacks. We'll find out. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going up to the top of that. Definitely doesn't do it justice. That's steep. Alright. Alright, so now we're coming up to the final ascent. I don't know how I can show this. So this is perfectly level. Right here. Yeah, it doesn't look steep. Nothing like it does with your own eyeballs. Anyway, we're headed up there. Alright, we're up at the top. There's giggles of Smith Knob. There's a vista back there. I'll show it to you in a minute, but not much. I'm not going to go down any further. I don't think there is any more. I swear I saw something about ledges. Unless this does go down to a peak, kind of like Ravenshorn. All right, oh look. All right. So yeah, this interesting, but you come down kind of like you do on the Ravenshorn on the Golden Eagle Trail. You get to the top of the mountain, but then you got to go down to get to the vista. Holy Lord, we are up here. Wow. Oh, they weren't kidding. These are some dangerous ledges. Wow. Look at that, folks. There's the highway, the Loyalsock Creek, and man, this is spooky. Ooh, wow, look at those. Like the white cliffs of Dover. Incredible. You might be scared to go out very far just because you never know when this whole thing could collapse, but we are 1,200 feet above that. Spooky. Where's my lovely wife, Giggles? Thought she was coming. Alright, we're going to get ready to turn around and head back down, but what do you think, Giggles?
Great time.
Ew. Wow, it's creepy. That's weird. Yeah, 2 sets of feathers tied. Would have had to climb up there a little bit, sort of. I don't know how long they've been there. There might have been branches down here you could have stood on, but it's a little weird. But one more peek at the amazing view. And then let me... So that's 87 right there.
I think so.
I mean, it seems like it has to be. It's going right by Loyalsock, but then you can see a little bit that way. There's also a view of the creek, but that tree kind of blocks it. But yeah, that's really, really spectacular. And like I said, these white cliffs, those are tall, man, like 50 feet probably. All right, here we go. Headed back. Oh, we do have one of those geodetic survey markers I'm going to show you here in a second. Giggles discovered up here. Yeah, Giggles spotted this on the way up. Good eye. But these are those geodetic survey markers that the government put in. This one's from 1958, isn't it? Yeah, 58. It tells you can get imprisoned or fined. Something about Washington, D.C. I don't think I can focus. Yeah, maybe. Right there's 1958. U.S. Construction and Geodetic Survey. Something mark, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, you can Google geodetic survey markers. They're all over the nation. Pretty sweet. All right, we're coming off the Smith Knob. I don't know if this will show, but how steep and far down we got to go. There's a bench way down at the bottom of this part here where it flattens back out. So this is the steepest part of the whole hike. But anyway, yeah, because there's level. That's like straight down. So yeah, coming down, there is a lot of mountain laurel up here. Probably absolutely amazing when it's blooming in June. But yeah, you can see it's thick with it. I guess I can explain now, but our plan was to start at Little Painter Run, park there, hike up Painter Run, then you take a left on the Loyalsock Trail and make a loop out of this, come back down to the Bear Creek Road and walk up to your vehicle. Totals about 7 miles doing that loop, but as you saw at the beginning of this video, we weren't prepared for those creek crossings. The water's up. We've been having a lot of rain, and even with waterproof shoes, you're going to be probably close up to your knees in some areas. So some people said on the reviews for that trail that they ended up wading 2 feet deep into it. So I don't know where they were, but so we'll do that another time. This is just going to be an out and back of the Loyalsock up to Smith Knob Vista and back. Yeah, cool trail. Yeah, look at all this mountain laurel. And everybody talked about stinging nettles all across this trail in the summer, so everybody said they wish they had wore long pants. So do it if you're hiking it in the summer. All right. All right, coming up here, there's looks like it must be some water down that way. But anyway, this is the famous Helen's Window. Probably can't see, there's a, right in the middle of the frame right there, there's a sign, an old sign that says Helen's Window. And then you have that vista right there. Yeah, that sign is on that tree right smack in the middle. But yeah, pretty cool. Sweet. Gotta go. Peace out. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks, man.